are 4 frustrations people may have about pelvic floor physical therapy. Let's go through them. Number 1. People have said that they feel frustrated that they're getting a lot of conflicting information from different sources. And that can be because maybe they have information that may come from a celebrity and it may conflict with what they've heard from a pelvic floor physical therapist. Now, I will tell you that 99.999% of celebrities are not pelvic floor physical therapists. So believe the pelvic floor physical therapist. We are highly trained, we are skilled, we've been doing this a long time. So believe the pelvic floor physical therapist and use that as your source. Number 2, pelvic floor rehab can be costly. Yes, this is true in the sense that a lot of pelvic floor physical therapists are not in network with insurance plans because we spend a lot of time with the patient, we are highly skilled, we're highly trained, and we can only really see one patient at a time when we're doing pelvic floor physical therapy. If you go to regular physical therapy, outpatient orthopedic practices, or sports orthopedic practices, usually there's a lot of patients at the same time. Obviously, we can't see many patients at the same time, so we spend a lot of time with the patient, and so we are not in network with many insurance plans. But if you have out-of-network benefits with your insurance plan for physical therapy in general, you can get reimbursed for a portion of your session with us. Frustration 3. Maybe you feel that pelvic physical therapy is taking a long time. And the reason for this is that it's really hard to find the pelvic floor muscles. They are on the inside and it's hard to isolate them. It's hard to build awareness. But once you get it and you're working with a really good therapist and a good team, then it's easy to strengthen and it's easy to relax the muscles. It just may take a little longer than, say, rehabbing shoulder or knee, depending. So give it time, be patient with yourself. 4th frustration is that sometimes people have a hard time finding time to do the exercises. Of course, this is understandable. Maybe people have small children, they're working. It's tough to find time to do your home exercise program, especially with pelvic floor physical therapy devices, because sometimes you need to insert them to do some pelvic PT homework. But right now you're probably scrolling, right? And maybe that's how you found this video. So the beauty of Kegels and strengthening your pelvic floor is you can do it anytime and nobody knows you're doing your Kegels. So look, I'm doing my Kegels right now. So try to make time for yourself. If you have time to scroll, you probably have time to do a couple of Kegels. And again, just be patient with yourself.